Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about one lip product which will help to reduce the hyperpigmentation around your lips. Do you have hyperpigmentation around the corners, or the outline of your lips became dark, or if you're a smoker and your lips became dark in general and you're confused about what to use, then we should definitely use ALANNA. ALANNA is India's first specialized lip care brand, and it contains various lip care products. So for hyperpigmentation especially, you should use this lip wash. This ALANNA lip wash contains alpha-arbutin and PHA lactobionic acids. So both of these contents are very useful to reduce pigmentation. So you should definitely give it a try. It comes with a silicone brush, so it's very easy to use and it's very cute. So you should definitely give it a try. For better results, use it with ALANNA's lip butter mask, which helps to reduce pigmentation and even helps to plump your lip lines. So it became my personal favorite, and you also must try this.